Alright guys, here we are. Hey guys!
Hey!
Is the ice machine running? No.
78. Yeah.
I like your ovens.
The bottom needs to be done.
Is it done?
Yeah. The bottom one, you need to do a rinse cycle on the bottom one.
Alright. Hey mommy, so can you show me which button enters the main screen where to set your time and temp? Can you show me? Can you show me where to enter the main screen?
Yeah, push the top, and then that's where you pick your time and temp.
So if I want to make it on 350 or 375, I have to press 375, right?
Yep.
And time, if I want to do on like 25 minutes, I have to do 2500, right?
That's correct.
And to start it, I had to press this button here to start,
That's
right?
correct.
Oh.
See the light goes on?
Yep. Oh, I heard it.
Yep.
Hey, so mommy, where can I stop it? Is it this?
Yes.
Oh, I just heard a fan stop.
Okay, now do the clean side, the rinse. Oh, you gotta open it, yep. Okay.
Oh, there goes the fan. You hear that fan?
I hear that fan.
Is it hot when you open it?
Yep. I hear that fan.
I heard it. Hey, mommy. Hey, mommy. So this means is ready, right? Now can I close it?
Yes.
Now can I close it?
Yes. Alright, rinse cycle and start. Alright.
Good work, mommy.
Yeah, you did a great job. Alright, come on, let's go do the dishwasher. William, that one's already off.
I'm just showing how to.
Alright, and then turn off the blodgets too.
Mommy, thanks for showing me how to work it.
You're welcome.
I like that fan.
I know you do.
That fan is big.
It is big. They have fans up here too, you know.
Hey, mommy.
What?
I'm just showing. Hey, mommy.
Go turn the blodgets off.
So just turn it, right?
Yep.
Mommy, can you show me how to work the blodget, mommy?
Nope. You just did that one. See?
Yeah, it's off. Got it. So to turn it on, I have to put any setting, right?
Right. Alright, now turn this one off.
When it turns it off, right? It makes noises.
Oh, is our food here from the place? Oh, awesome.
Miss, hey Jessica. You see me working on your things?
Yeah.
Mommy, you like that? Alright. That's the dishwasher right there. Alright, do we need to wash something?
Nope.
Just stop it.
Yep. It hasn't been running, so it's not hot. Yep, good job. Alright.
Mommy, thanks for showing me how to work your ovens.
You're very welcome. Alright, get a little footage of the ice machine and it's time to go. We're trying to get out of here fast today.
Yeah.
Well, I did see one.
And here's the ice machine, Mommy.
Just 2 or 3.
Right, Mommy?
What was it?
No, I'm not good for that.
One of the other teachers bought us all lunch
Janice
today.
Jackson.
Yeah. Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
All right, I'll see you later next week.
Yep, okay. Alright, put the scoop back.
I think the compressor may start since I used it.
No, I don't think so.
I don't think so. Okay.
Alright. Okay.
Mommy, thanks for showing me how to work your auto shams.
You are so welcome, William J. Scully.
Hey, Mommy.
Yeah.
Hey, Mommy. Do you like that I find to where the vent is so I can give you a nice footage at the vent?
Yep.
Hey.
Thank you, William.
I like that.
Yeah.
Jessica, I like this.
Do you? Yeah.
What is this, Jessica?
The emergency door, William.
What?
It's an emergency door.
Yeah.
All right, come on. 13.
Oh, hey, you remember this?
I do remember that. We had to call you. No, I don't think they're using that today.
No, we're not gonna use it.
They're not going to use it today,
Michelle, will
William.
you help me
Yeah.
put this down?
Yes.
13.
Okay.
So that's the emergency door.
That's for the lift.
Hey, go. Get in the
That's what-
car. I'll see y'all.
All right. Mommy, thanks for showing me. All right, guys.